Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name's Ailey. Today's video is day 5 of my 12 days of Christmas, I think. I'm so behind, but this is day 5. I wanted to do something really kind of dramatic, really kind of grungy. I haven't worn this lip colour in ages and I absolutely love it, and I love this eye look. This is like one of my go-to eye looks. It's so simple and easy to do. You can do it with 1 or 2 eyeshadows. It's really quick to do. 9 times out of 10 I've either been at work or I'm doing other people's makeup, so when I do my own makeup I kind of want to do it really quickly for going out. So this is kind of just a really quick and easy going out look. It doesn't have to be Christmassy, but it will definitely be one that I will wear over Christmas, so hence why it's in the 12 looks of Christmas. And I didn't want everything to be like red and gold or green and red lip, and yeah, I didn't want everything to end up blurring into being the same, and I thought that it would be good to be able to do something a little bit more dramatic if you're just used to doing really neutral, really natural looks. This is just a step up, but it's not quite as crazy as going like full cut crease or anything like that. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I will let you guys watch the video so you can see how I did this, and if you enjoyed, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. You all know by now I post every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. I'm posting a little bit more regularly just now through December because I have a bank of videos that I'm doing. I'm trying to get these 12 looks up and I don't want every single day to be the 12 looks of Christmas. So I am posting more often just now, but usually I'm here Monday, Wednesday and Friday. So hopefully I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! Hey guys, so priming as usual with Paint or Lay from MAC and dragging this all over my eyelid right up to my brow bone, and then I'm going in with the James Charles palette, starting off with code James and then taking 10% off and no beans and just really kind of mixing all of these together, keeping the darkest on my mobile lid and blending up to the lightest. I'm just creating a really messy smoky eye. This is such a flattering eye look but has the least amount of effort. Really, it doesn't matter if it's a total mess, as long as it's relatively in the right place, you're gonna be fine. And just make sure that it's nicely blended on the edges. Make sure and drag it down underneath your lower lash line and make sure that it's the same. The closer it is to your lashes, the darker the colour is. I'm gonna then go in and do the other eye a little bit closer up for you so you can see. These shadows don't blend the best. They're not the easiest to work with, but you just take a little bit of extra time. They do work eventually. You just, like he said in his own video, they just take a little bit more work, but the best payoff you're going to get is with a sticky base. Nothing too runny or anything like that, but the MAC paint pot is perfect, and I've heard that the P. Louise base is really good as well. So like you can see here, really I'm sort of mixing it all together, but I'm just making sure that it's blended out really nicely on the edges. I'm going to take a brown eyeliner and line my waterline after I've done my inner corner highlight, which I actually did, and then I took the matte lightest shade in the palette and went over it because I liked the all matte vibe. Here I'm just adding a teeny tiny little wing. If you don't have hooded eyes like me, I mean, you can see the tiny little bit of space I've got there. If you don't have hooded eyes like that, then you could probably put a bigger wing on this that would make it more dramatic. Then I'm going to go in and set my eyebrows before I add on my lashes, and then I grab my mascara, and anytime I'm wearing lashes I just catch those little teeny tiny ones in the inner corner just to make it look like they're all my natural lashes. Then I'm picking up Stone from MAC and I'm just applying this to my lips, and that is this look complete. So I really hope that you enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. All night long we're gonna dance and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song.